YouTube has a brand new look for uploads. I am so excited to share this with you guys. If you haven't seen it already, there's some awesome new look for their upload and features, and the flow is a little different. So for anyone who has been on YouTube for a while, or maybe you're just starting out on YouTube, this is how to upload a video in the new video uploader on YouTube. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn. I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify video creation for you so that you can get back to what's most important in your business. Now, today we're talking all about YouTube's brand new upload, which is looking awesome. I love it. And I'm going to show you some new features and the flow of it. And I think it's really great, especially for people who are just starting out on YouTube. If that's you, I have some great things for you today. Number one, if you haven't seen already, I have 4 videos for you in a series of new to YouTube. So if you want to learn how to edit your front end, your back end, how to upload, content strategies, all that is here for you, and I hope that you stick around for that. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can see those videos. Secondly, I have this awesome YouTube channel workbook for anyone who is just starting out on YouTube. It has everything from step-by-step guides, checklist, to worksheets, everything you need for starting a YouTube channel in 2020. So all the new updates that they're doing, they're in this workbook. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. And let me know in the comments below, do you like YouTube's new look? Is there anything you don't like about it? For right now, as I've been using it just a little bit, I love it, but I'd love to hear if you guys don't and why. Okay, for this video, we are jumping into my computer. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my computer. So let's look at the brand new look for uploading a video. You're gonna go to your same place and upload a video. I'm just gonna pick a random MP4 file. Let's do that one, just so we can see, and even that was different. If you are not enjoying it, if you're one of those people that comment below that you don't like it, that's okay. It looks like you can go back to classic. But for this so far, I am loving it. If you're not liking it, you have an exit, and it's that just running out the door icon there. First things first, this is really exciting because it's all in one place. It's just like, it's so cute and like put together. I love it. Here's where you're gonna put your title, your description. Obviously, if you watched the last episode, if you're new to my channel, I do have a video on how to set up your upload defaults. So be sure to check that out. But basically that is everything that is just automatically generated because I put it in an upload default so that I don't have to do this every time. The only thing that I do have to do is come in here and kind of enter down everything that's in my description from the upload defaults and put something that is specific to the video. So I'm going to put a specific title and I'm going to copy that title, put it in the description, and then go into a more detailed description of the video. But everything else I want in my description is already there. Scrolling down, I am loving that this is just more compact and it feels like they cut out all the noise. And maybe that's because mine was really cluttered because I not only have vidIQ, but I also have TubeBuddy. If you don't have those, you can get them in the description below. As you can see, like something like this wouldn't normally be on yours if you don't have TubeBuddy. So I have things that are just automatically generated on the side of my screen, and it felt really cluttered. So this new look actually, to me, just works really well, but it also doesn't allow you to forget anything. So if you're new to YouTube, this is going to be great for you. So this is where you're going to add your thumbnail. Obviously, you still get your 3 generated thumbnails that YouTube will decide for you. I have a whole video on why you shouldn't let them decide and suggestions for what you should do for your thumbnail. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the card, but also it'll be in the description below. But bottom line is, this is where you upload and you're going to add your playlist, and then it's going to ask you about your audience. Holy moly cannoli, I'm so excited about this. Like I said, it just cuts out the noise, which really makes it easier for someone who is just starting out on YouTube. It also doesn't let you forget anything that's important, which for me, playlists are so important because I want to make sure that my audience sees exactly what they need from me in the right place on my homepage. And if you don't know how to make a section on your homepage with playlists, this is how you do that.
or you're going to add them here, but I have a video on my channel about that as well. And then after I do all the things, see, it's not going to let me move on unless I make sure that I've done all the things. Okay, so video elements. This is one of the places I see a lot of beginning YouTubers missing the mark, right? They don't always add their in screens, they don't always add card, and you miss out on a lot of opportunity for more subscribers, for more people binge watching your content with the in screens and the cards. So this step I think is really important, and I think it was lost in the noise on the other screen. So I am loving at least step 2 of this uploading process. This is great for me. If you have questions about in-screens, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a new video about in-screens for you guys with a perfect little template for you guys to work on. Next, visibility. Hello, we have scheduling options, guys. This was not an option for everybody unless you were a partner. I'm just loving this, guys. I could obviously publish now. I can set it to public or private. As you all know, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I always upload to unlisted so that I have time to do all this stuff. I have time because I don't always do the uploading. My editor does the uploading. So that means I now have time after he uploads to come in here and do all my optimization, put my own thumbnail on there, and do everything I need to do. And he can just schedule it for me, and all I have to do is pop in here, do my optimizations, walk away, and it will pop out into the world when I need it to. So, oh my gosh, I love this. You know, I love it. YouTube, I love it. But there might be someone out there who doesn't love it. So I would love to hear from you. What are you missing here? What isn't working for you? Because I do a lot of work with people who are brand new to different platforms, I love it when platforms simplify. So for me and the people that I teach and help, I think this is amazing, and I'm really happy about the change. I'm just going to show you. So comparatively, guys, this is what the old way was. Now, if I wanted to add an in screen, I'm up here, cards, and I'd have to go through all that. Look how cluttered it is. And like I said, yes, I have TubeBuddy and vidIQ. So yes, the extensions that I have are obviously cluttering quite a bit. But even without those, this is just not as pretty. I love the user experience of the brand new upload. So for me, I will not be exiting and coming to this section. I like the new way, and I want to hear from you. Do you like it too?